The quantum field. So what is the quantum field? So the quantum field, so when we wake up, you know, like our thoughts are energy, right? If I think negative things, generally I'm going to attract negative things. If I think positive things, I'm going to attract positive things. Generally that's how it works, right? And when I think things, because we're basically energetic beings, when we think things, we put electrical signals out there, they cruise through the quantum field, and they attract other similar vibrations, right? So that's sort of a way to look at it. Joe Dispenza, guru on meditations, talks about it, the quantum field, a lot. A lot of spiritual people talk about the quantum field. You could just think about the quantum field as the atmosphere around you, right? It's just when we think things, or just think about a radio, right? Or an antenna, it sends a lot of different signals out there. You know, our phones right now are picking up signals. There's signals everywhere. The same as your mind and your body, you're constantly sending these signals out, right? So they talk about, Joe Dispenza says, the quantum field. He goes, the future, past and present all exist at once. And I'm like, what does that mean? But, you know, I figured it out, you know, when I sort of started to wake up. And an easy way to describe what he means by that is, you know, if I had a thought, I love my mum, I love my mum now, I love my mum in half an hour, and I love my mum in an hour, right? You know, I had those thoughts, those three thoughts. Well, those signals get sent out there, right? So if I'm out there and I pick up those signals with my little receiver, I pick up a future, present and past message. So that's a nice, easy way to kind of understand, you know, what these people talk about when they talk about the quantum field and that sort of jazz. But, you know, you need to look into this yourself and sort of understand it yourself. But the reason why I'm talking about the quantum field is because the next couple of videos I'm going to talk about, you know, there's a reason behind this conversation. But the quantum field is where we want to vibrate correctly, right? Because if we vibrate correctly, we interact with that quantum field and we bring all the good things to us. So that's, you know, the wake up journey. We want to vibe every day, and we want to utilize that quantum field to our benefit. That's, you know, I'm starting to manifest and wanting to manifest. I put the signal out there and the wants, and, you know, I put it into the quantum field, and then hopefully start receiving it back. I mean, that's the plan. Let's just see what happens with that anyway. Sweet.